I have, this is experiment 4, operational amplifier. I have wired up this circuit here. Here we have the differential pair, this is our input. And then we have an amplifier here on the rest of the circuit. This is a follower, and then here is the amplifier. If we move along, I have created this circuit, and here it is. This is what it looks like. So this is the inverting amplifier, because I'm putting the input into the negative leg of the op amp, and this is what that looks like. Here I have my two resistors, both are 1K, because we're testing for unity gain. And here's my power supply, 6 volts and 6 volts. And then I have measured, I have my function generator here, and that's coming in to my op amp where it's supposed to come. And I'm also measuring the output here. Right here, I'm measuring the output. And this is what the scope looks like. I have the yellow one is the input, and then the blue one here is the output. So these are relatively almost the same, and they are inverted to one another, which is what we expect to see from this circuit. So it works.